Okay, Google, show me recipes for chocolate chip cookies.
Okay, I've got a recipe called Best Chocolate Chip Cookies from All Recipes.
Okay, Google, show me recipes for chocolate chip cookies. Okay, Google, show me recipes for chocolate chip cookies.
Here are some recipes I found.
Okay, Google, add baking soda and vanilla extract to my shopping list.
Sure, I added those two things.
Okay, Google, start cooking.
Before we start, preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Beat in the eggs one at a time, then stir in the vanilla. Dissolve baking soda in hot water. Add to batter along with salt. Stir in flour, chocolate chips, and nuts. Drop by large spoonfuls onto ungreased pans.
Show a video of creaming butter and sugar together.
Showing creaming butter and sugar together videos.
Okay, Google, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Sure, 10 minutes, starting now.
Okay, Google, who invented chocolate chip cookies?
Ruth Graves Wakefield. According to Wikipedia, the chocolate chip cookie was invented by the American chef Ruth Graves Wakefield and Chef Sue Brides in 1938.